Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rachel, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a summer playlist video, so I'm just going to be playing you guys all my favorite songs for summer, and yeah, I'll be doing my makeup while I listen to these songs. And if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also check out my social media down below. And also, I will have the playlist with all these songs in it linked down below on my Apple Music if you guys are interested in listening to it on there. I think that's all I wanted to say. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the video. On your worst days, double C precious, you deserve it. Niggas can't get in person, but you're curving. Perfect little body on the surface. I'ma run my body, make you nervous. Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. It's almost up to them bitches wish. Whatever you do, sis, keep it cute, sis. Leave that beef and shit a root, Chris, I end up toothless. Me, I disregard. Bet you if I had a dick, these bitches couldn't get it hard. Me, in London. Ain't gonna answer. She a Scorpio, going to Cancer. Shorty get freaky and nasty. Shorty get freaky and nasty. I'm going around, what we thinking? No sheets on top my bed when I be here in the morning in my trap house. I'ma blow her back out. No weekend kick it, baby, don't you try to pass out. I can't even trust you, gotta fuck you with my Mac out. One must not say, one must not do, to show how much I think about freaking you. I'm drinking and I don't drink when I'm on point. I'm on my point blank. She got me singing, she said you not drink. She got a condo and got a crime rate. I let her kill me, I reincarnate. She got a leggings, the Gucci red greens. I told her I didn't even know that Gucci made these. She took them clean off. I like the way you do it. So that is it for this playlist video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on my social media. I'll have it all linked down below, as well as the playlist for this video on my Apple Music if you guys are interested in that. But yes, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!